Hey, what's going on, Rusty? This is Holden. I said I was going to shoot you over a video, and in this video, I just want to show you a few things that you can do to really increase the traffic to your business, get some more customers in the door, and beat out your competition online. In today's day and age, everybody's searching for what they want on Google, right? And if you can't get found in the search results, then you're really just not getting found. And a lot of times, the only hesitation that I see that business owners have to hiring someone for this sort of thing is they don't know who the experts are and who they're not. So I found by giving out this free plan of attack, these three things that you can do and implement yourself has really resulted in a lot of business owners just coming back to me and saying, hey, Holden, I could use your help. So if by the end of this video you feel like I've got some value and you want to chat some more, shoot me a message and we can talk. If not, that's totally fine. I just ask you, please do implement these things because they'll definitely help your business out and get you some more traffic, okay? All right, let's jump right in, man. I got your website up right here, and it looks like you got a lot of some reviews. That's nice, some content on here. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing that Google looks at is content. They like to see at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage just to be optimized. Now, this is a tool that I use. It's called SEO Quake, and it's free. You can pick this up yourself. It pulls some data off your website, some metrics, and it shows me you got 951 words of content on your homepage. So that falls short of that 1,500 that Google really likes for optimization, right? So make sure you're adding in another 550 words at least, right? And additionally, as far as content goes, they like to see in the content the keywords that people are searching for. And that's things like spray foam insulation, spray foam near me, spray foam insulation California. Whatever your services are, open cell, closed cell, that you are providing that people are searching for, make sure you're adding those keywords into your content. And you can actually see what keywords you have, how many times they're listed on here. You can look at your competitors and see what keywords that they're using as well and add that into your content. So the next thing I'm going to show you here, this is called the local map pack, which it seems like, man, you are dominating over here. And the way that you do this is by getting your name, address, and phone number as many times as possible in as many directories as possible, and making sure that you got more than your competitor. And that'll keep you up in this map pack. But it looks like you're doing all right with that. You've got like a Google My Business in every single area. So great job doing that. Now, additionally, for this organic area, this is what converts a lot of the traffic, and these are specific to the keywords that are being searched up here. So if I type in a specific keyword up here or a different keyword, you want to get found for every single one organically and be at the top of all of this for all of them. And all of your back pages can also rank as well. If you have different pages on your website, those ones are all those different pages should be listed right here on the organics 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the way you do that is by looking at Google itself as a popularity contest, making sure that you have, all these votes of confidence in this popularity contest pointing back to your website. So those votes are called backlinks. And the more of these links that you have from other websites linking to your website, the more confidence or popularity that your website has, the more relevant it seems to Google, and they start boosting you up and filling up all these right here, right? Because nobody's going down to the ads. They're definitely not going to the second, third, fourth, fifth page of Google. That might as well be the moon, really. So not all backlinks are created equal. You can't go get backlinks from websites that are, for a pizza shop and link them back to your spray foam business. Nobody is going to see that, and Google's going to deduct 2 points for that, right? So this is the last thing I'm going to show you. This is a tool I pay about $1,000 a month for. It's called Ahrefs, and it buys data directly from Google. It shows me a ton of information about what's going on your website over time. Keywords that you're ranking for and stuff like that. And it shows me that you're getting found organically 10 times a month, and that only 13 keywords you're getting found for. So people are searching only 13 keywords to find you those 10 times. And additionally, you only have 2 referring domains linking back to your website 8 times. And power is only transferred once from one website. So you only get 2 votes basically from 2 links pointing in your direction. Now this over here is your domain rank and your URL rank. This basically shows me how many links you have and the quality of those links, right? And it's showing 0 and no data. And I would say that's just because you have 2 links and they're probably not high quality at all. So you need to make sure that you're getting more links, and then you can reach out to more people. You'll get boosted up for more keywords that you're ranking for and getting found for those. So just to reiterate, the 3 things that I want you to look at, making sure that you're getting at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and then adding in those keywords that people are searching for. And like I said, you can look at your competitors in SEO Quake and see what keywords they're ranking for and which ones you have on here as well. And then to stay up in this local map pack, if you want to stay up here and not get bumped off, make sure you're getting your name, address, and phone number in as many directories as possible, things like yellow pages. And finally, if you want to make sure that you're ranking on all these pages here, you need to get backlinks to every single one of your pages and make sure they're quality links. You know, you've only got a couple here, you've got 2, so make sure you're getting a lot more of those links and make sure they're relevant to your industry. All right, hey, I hope this was useful, and like I said, if you want to chat some more, shoot me a message, we can definitely talk. And if not, that's totally fine. These things are for you. I just please ask that you send me a message back and let me know what you thought of this video. I'd really, really appreciate it. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good one.